All right, how did I sign up 6 people today? Do I have a voodoo doll? I might have a doll. Okay, I don't know if there's any voodoo going on. But yeah, this is little Lola. And I just spank her little bum. That's what I do. I buy these pervert dolls. And then I spank their bum. And then all of a sudden people just sign up. It's so weird. It's crazy. Why do you think I have so many other dolls? Okay? They give me good luck. You know what this girl does? She actually holds my business cards on my cell phone. Thank you. You got to go over there. All right, seriously. You got to make this fun, guys. Don't try to overanalyze inviting someone to click a link to watch a video. Okay? I know you can do this. Sure, go after your friends and your family. Everybody does that in the beginning. I get it. Grandma, will you just join already? I promise I'll come over and wash your teeth. Okay, I'll wash your teeth every day. Just spit them out, Grandma. I'll wash them every day. Me. But you got to join. All right, Sonny. Okay, and will you rub my feet too? Rub my feet and brush my teeth. And mow my damn lawn. And then I'll join your Save Club. Okay, if that's how it works, then go over to your grandma's. And maybe spank her bum a little bit too. She might like it. And then you won't have to mow the lawn. Okay, but you still have to rub her feet. All right. Okay. Are you ready to see a couple things that I do? And they just seem to work. That's all I can show you is what I do every day. Okay, besides screwing off, I do this. Boom. All right, I'm just going to be this little dude over here on the right, okay? I love saveclub.com. Who do you love? You love your mom, you love your dad, you love your St. Bernard, you love your dildo. I don't know, you love lots of cool stuff, but man, you got to start loving Save Club. All right? I like Save Club. All right? Do you despise Save Club? All right? There's a lot of emotions when you say Save Club. Okay? Has there been a club where you can save if you join? Yes, probably for 100 years. All right? I think Avon was the first, and Amway and all these other MLMs. If you join, you're supposed to save. You're earning money. But you know what? How are you going to save when you're paying $80 for a bottle of shampoo that's only $5? Okay? Traditional MLMs, yuck. All right? A lot of them have lost over $500 million just in the last 12 months. Okay? This is not an MLM. Okay? I had somebody below one of my videos today just go, I'm just so sick of MLMs, I can't make them work. This is not a multi-level marketing thing. This is where you sign up. And if you have $19.97, guys, guess what? You can shop your asses off. And you're probably going to save money. And if you don't, then quit. Sign up for the month. You got $20? You got to grow some huevos. Grow some bolzos. Holy kazangas. $20, guys. Okay. Oh, it's a scam. Oh my gosh. They're just taking billions of dollars and turning it to crypto, and then they're out of here. Well, for $20 a pop, and this is based upon saving money for people. Okay, not charging you money. All right, this is where you just go shop your ass off to Walmart, go to Home Depot. If you're in America, go to Burger King, go to Subway, go to Papa John's, Papa Murphy's. Okay, there are so many dang businesses already in America. There must be 10, 20, 50,000 participants already. Okay, now, when we were listening to Charles Moy, all right, he's our founder. He and Pete were talking last night, and they said that, yeah, every day, every week, every year, they're going to expand all over the world, Canada, Mexico, over to the UK. Let's go to Asian areas. Then we're going to go down to Brazil, scoot on over to Australia, and then we're going to rock and roll in Africa. There are so many opportunities out there to save money. We just got to take our time and just shake hands and just bump elbows with some of the biggest, most dynamic places in the world. Okay, flights, hotels, vacations. There's just little mom and pup places, local businesses. When you go into shop with Save Club, you can put in your zip code and you'll find, like my friend's tanning salon. Okay? That was awesome. All right, what I saw, it's called Secret Beach. You can look it up. All right. She's right in Salt Lake City. And I'm going to see if we can get gentlemen's clubs in, because right now I'm helping remodel and restructure and throw massive parties this summer for a gentlemen's club. That's right. If you can get in for half off, maybe get in for free. Just whip out your phone and go talk, talk, talk. Can I save some money? I'm in to see me some honeys. All right. Get me something to drink. All right. But anyway, we'll see. Doesn't hurt to ask. Okay. It's just unlimited. Okay. It really is, on how many businesses that will probably want to be a part of this, especially when we scoop up 250 to 500, eventually 1 million people. I can see in 1 year just signing up, spending $20, and for 30 days just seeing, are there any savings? And if there is, you're not going to quit. You're just going to sit, spend $20, do it again. You'll save probably hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per year. I'm already over $700 my first 10 days. I've already made almost $1,500 my first 2 weeks. All right, I think I've signed up 50 something. I'll have to look here. I get carried away when I think about this darn business. All right, how the hell does a wacko like me, and I didn't even work hard today. I had to go down. I had to put a rack on one of my Hummers. I had to drill some pillars on another one. I've got quite a few Hummers. I like to collect those darn things. And a Hummer is a military Jeep that you drive. Okay, I know there's other things called Hummers, but no, I was working, unfortunately, on ones that you drive with 4 wheels. Okay, but I was out in the sun today enjoying the 80-degree weather. I had music blasting away, and it was so nice because when I got back to my radio station here this evening, I went ahead and hit refresh, and oh my gosh, look at that. Thursday. Okay, 7 people pre-enrolled. 6 people upgraded. And you know what? Thank you, guys. All right. I haven't had time to really do what I really like to do. And that's, once someone pre-enrolls, I hurry and send them a message. Hey, thanks for pre-enrolling. Okay, this is Cory. I want you to know I'm not an autoresponder. I'm a real person. Get a hold of me at cory@corydraper.com or inbox me Facebook. Thanks for pre-enrolling. And then I have a whole entire different email when you sign up. And this is where I talk about Vistaprint and GoDaddy and how I do things on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I also have a video, and I can send you my video. It's how, it's basically what you should do the first, let's say, hour when you sign up. Okay, username, password, save it, configure your bank or cryptocurrency. Okay, get comfortable with this back office. Okay, I'll send you the video. You don't have to be in my team. I'll help you guys out. There's no competition. The world is our oyster. Yes, and we can probably get deals on oysters. Maybe at the Gentlemen's Club here in Salt Lake City. We'll go in, maybe we can get half off, and then we'll have oysters. At a strip club. Boy, doesn't that sound delicious. Maybe have some anchovy. No, I won't say anchovies. That just sounds awful. I might have to edit myself on that one. But how do I sign up 6 people just in 1 day? You know what? It's posting, just making content, doing the best you can. Okay? You're not going to have the same results every day. You can't get bummed out if no one signs up. Like you can see, I go a couple days, no one even signs up, but I have 5 people here, 2, you know, I seem to always pre-enroll people. But it's nice when you get results. And the only way you're going to get better at this is to just keep posting content. If you know how to write someone a message, do so. If people write you back, get back with them. Don't be shy. Don't get pissed off if people try to ask you questions. All right, I can help you. Or go to support@saveclub.com. All right, I've had Jeremy help me a lot. All right, thank you, Jeremy, if you ever see this replay. Okay, TikTok, maybe you want to do a little video there. And if you hate video, maybe your kids or your wife or, I don't know, maybe the neighbor across the street. All right, if he or she's out getting the mail, just go, hey, you want to make a video? Come on in. And then when they call the cops, hide in your house and make a video. And then let me know what happens. Yeah, if you're going to, don't be going up to kids. Hey, you want to make a video? I heard you're TikToking and you guys are Instagramming and Boy, you guys are, you youth. All right. If I hear another older person go, oh man, it's all for the young. It's for younger folks. I'm too old to do this damn business. Oh, bull crap. All right. The best part about this business is everything is easier now than like even 5, 10 years ago. From building websites, how to navigate a website, how to get a webcam and just talk to it like I'm doing right now. Okay. It's plug and play. There's not a lot of configuring. Isn't that nice? All right. But it's up to you guys. Just relax. If you don't want to do video, I understand. But I'm sure going to try to get you out of your comfort zone and try it. Okay. Even if you're not on video, at least maybe you can just point forward and walk in a park. Okay. Or film, I don't know, film a duck pooping. Who knows? You can do this darn thing. Okay. I think some of my success has to do with just making a video, talking, being as honest as I can about this, the weather, Super Bowl coming up, Mother's Day is this Sunday. Okay. With Save Club, you can get a deal on chocolates and 1-800-Flowers. Get your mom some posies, or get your wife some posies, or I don't know, get your girlfriend some posies. And I mean roses, but don't tell your wife. Okay, if you tell your wife you're getting your girlfriend some chocolates and roses, your wife's going to be pissed off. And then she's going to call you a mother, all right. A mother. And I can't say the last word. Okay, so you guys relax. I know you can do this business. All right, I'll help you as much as I can. Just pre-enroll. All right, do me a favor. At least just get locked in. Sign up. ilovesaveclub.com. Just go to this page right here and put your contact info in. Watch this video by Charles Moy. All right, he's our dude, man. He's our captain of the Starship Intercourse. Okay, so hit that orange button. You're going to get an email, and you can sign up if you'd like, or if you want more information, every day there's going to be a Save Club email. Save them up, especially if you're going to join, because you can reuse those emails and learn from them. Okay, so what do I do every day? I mess off and have a good time and just make content. And at the end of the day, I just want you to go to ilovesaveclub.com, just like when you get your own website for $60. That's it. All right, I'm going to help you as much as I can. You'll get, this is the Powerline landing page. Did you see that right there? saveclubtour.com/Cory Draper. All right, the /Cory Draper, that's my username. Whatever you're going to use. I mean, you can, I don't know, use Pig Newton. I don't know. Just go by Pig Newton. Not Fig Newton, Pig Newton. Ted Nugent. I don't know. Whatever your username is, it can be a business. I like to just use my name. Okay, the more real I am, you go to my real Facebook page. I don't have a business page. I mix business with my personal. Okay, I want you to see what I do. All right, my email is Cory@CoryDraper.com. I've had that for 35 years. You can see it on my business card there. Okay, and you can even go to CoryDraper.com and see all my businesses. And my favorite one right now is, of course, this little Save Club thing. It's going to be huge, guys. It's only 2 weeks old. Okay, we barely have 10, 15,000 people signed up. We're going to have millions. Hurry and get in now. Downlines are being made now. Neighborhoods, cities, states, countries. All right, they might be signing up underneath you. Because when you have so little of people, all right, the odds of you signing up somebody pretty darn cool like me is high. You want a maniac like me underneath you. Okay, I can earn you some money, kid. All right, so I'll end the video. I like them to be about 15 minutes long. Looks like I got about 45 seconds left. Okay, so get yourself a business card. This is just from Vistaprint. I spend $22 right to my door. All right, I love Save Club. I bought this from GoDaddy. It was $12 plus 17 pennies, and for free they forward it to that page right there, mysaveclubtour.com/Cory Draper. And then you guys just watch the video and fill this little thing out, and just really good at inviting people to watch something. Okay, remember, that's all you're going to do. You're going to get in a rhythm. You're just going to get so good at just saying, guys, go to this link, just watch, just check it out. If it's not for you, thanks for your time. But if you want to join, let's earn some money and save some money together, okay? Boom. Done. All right, guys, I got 8 seconds. It's 15 minutes, and that is my time. All right. You guys have a good one, and I'll see you next video. Okay, guys. Take care.